Hi guys, we are test driving a Seat Alhambra 2-liter TDI. This car came in with a underpower problem and also a heavy smell inside the car that the driver couldn't drive this car. You had a problem when you're driving this car on the motorway. You got heavy fumes smell coming inside the car. Yes, you couldn't bear with it, and also your passengers in the car, they got headache, your eyes burning. So it was unpleasant to be sitting in this car. Now we done the problem. What would you say about your car? We had about 30 miles, maybe more than 30 miles motorway test run. What do you think of it?
I can see big difference. The smell is gone, and his power is nice driving now.
It's better.
It's better.
Yet you paid money to some other people to do this job.
I done is stupid things in the first place, and take to some wrong people, and they done job properly. You know,
so you wasted money, wasted time, wasted energy.
I know, it's a lot of money waste.
Right. And you lost, obviously, you lost work. You couldn't work.
So now I had 3 days no working, but then now I'm happy with this car. Is back and running perfectly.
Excellent. So overall satisfaction, what would you say? Are you happy?
I'm happy with this.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Another happy customer from supremedpfcleaning.com. We are located in Bromley, Kent. You can find us on Google, on www.supremedpfcleaning.com. You can reach us on 07533 636 194. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas.